Hey guys, Thrift Store Dave here. I am excited to bring you my third and final watch unboxing video. I've got this giant box of watches that I got from my reseller buddy Tom, and I picked through and found what I thought were some of the best of what was left before I might wholesale the rest in a lot. And again, remember, I only paid $100 for the whole box. Before I go over what I'm going to show you in this box, I'm going to briefly go over a couple recent sales so you know what I've made back so far, and then we're going to go over the specific watches here and what they could be worth as well. Okay, so biggest lesson I've learned so far is to sell watches at fixed price, because that way you can send out offers to people or get offers from people. I was able to sell this one in beat up condition for $15. Very happy about that. Was also able to offer back and forth to sell this Casio Illuminator watch from the 90s. Was happy to get $25 for it, because now with the 4 watches I've sold from the box so far, I'm up to $70, almost have all my money back, and I have a ton of great watches still left to go, plus what I might wholesale when I'm done. Okay, so I've compiled a total of 8 watches that I think might have some really good value, provided that when I replace their batteries, or if I sell them as is, that they are running and can sell for like comps. So the first one is a Wenger Swissarmy watch, and so these are pretty sought after. In working condition, they go easily for $40 plus. This one I'm going to put up for $30, see if I can generate any interest, again, provided it works. After that, we have, I hope I'm saying this correctly, a Rovendino, which is, I believe, a European type of luxury watch. This is the Talon variety. And this one, again, if in working condition, I could probably sell easily for $25. Very happy about that. Nice heavy metal. Okay, after that, we've got a Seiko quartz watch here. Sorry, digging up real quick. And these are men's vintage gold band ones. And they easily go in the $20 range. So it was worth finding a battery and replacing it to see if I can reload that one. The ones I'm most interested in are the old early digital quartz watches. So this is a hybrid quartz digital Casio watch, and this specific model is not selling very easily, but that could also mean that it's rare and sought after. So I'm hoping to get at least $20 for this. I've sold similar for in the $20 to $30 range already. Okay. Next we have a Waltham quartz watch. Now, there's been a range of values on eBay about what they're going for, and so I'm hoping at least $20, but some have gone for upwards of $80, and I'm not sure what makes them different, but if this is special, then I'll have a big surprise in my favor. Okay, 3 more. This one I'm a little skeptical of. It's dirty, it's old. On the back it had a message to someone from 1956, so clearly it dates to the 50s, and it's a Wittnauer. And so the cap comes off. I don't know if that was on purpose or not, but I can sell this in non-working condition, 4 parts, probably for $30 or more. There's a lot of them going for parts much greater than that. So I'm optimistic that this one's gonna go for something similar. 2 more to go. We have a Seiko kinetic watch. So these are interesting. They look like your typical watch on the front, but on the back they have moving pieces, which is really cool. This one I'm not gonna open and dare to repair. I'm just gonna sell it as is. And I'm hoping that even doing that, I can get somewhere between $20 and $40. All right, this last one, I had no idea of this brand and its existence. It's a Paris brand called Christian Bernard. And this is a Victory variant of the watch. Now, the gold ones are going for upwards of $100. I'm hoping this one could at least go for $30. And again, that's 3/10 of what I paid for the entire box of watches. So if it ends up going, very happy about this. So let me do a quick total up of everything that I got here. And we're looking like at around $200 just from these 8 watches if they sell and in their working condition for a $100 box of watches. And I've already sold the other ones that I've told you about. So my running total is quite high. Very happy that I did this, and I got to learn a little bit about watches in the process. So thank you for tuning in. If you've made it through all 3 videos, you have patience, because I'm doing my best as I get better at my video filming here for YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel if you like watching items that I buy and flip, and also tell friends if you think they may like watching it as well. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm Thrift Store Dave. Take care.